the power of organized spaces. I believe that if you have an organized car, it's just an easy way to tackle your day. Hi friends, I'm going out to run some errands, so I thought I'll just show you how my car is. I have not walked into it yet. Literally I have my bag here. I haven't entered into it. I parked it here after dropping off the kids at school, so this is not like a prepared video or anything like that. I want you to see how we have our car organized every single day. This is just for the series of the power of organized spaces, and I think the most neglected spaces are cars, and so I'm going to show you how my car looks. Alright, so this is the boot. Because it had been raining lately, I have an umbrella in the boot, and I have this is a first aid packet, and this is actually Joshua's mask. It shouldn't be here. I'll just take this and put it in the laundry. And then in this box, I always keep this box in the car. I have like art. I always have a blank paper for the kids to paint maybe when they're waiting for something. And then I have little band-aids. It needs to be topped up that I might need if somebody gets hurt or something like that. I have an extra t-shirt and underwear in there just in case we need to change someone. And I have a hairbrush or shoe brush. And here, let me actually just take this out so you can see. It's just an old shoe box. I have toilet paper just in case we need to wipe something. Okay, and the underwear I spoke about, the t-shirt, the brush, and I have a thermometer to check somebody's temperature if they might be heating up or something, and that I know what to do, whether it's a fever or not. So I always keep this in the boot of the car. I need to top it up, but then it's always good to just be prepared. And then I need to just add some crayons in there because I always have about 4 crayons in there. But this depends on the ages of your kids. If they are grown and you don't need extra underwear, definitely you don't need that. You don't need to have that. If it's not raining, take it out. Take the umbrella out. Alright, this is the inside. As you can see, I do not have any clutter in here. It's because we take out everything when we come home, so it's part of the instructions. Everybody knows the rules that whether you come with a backpack or you ate in the car, whatever happens, take out everything. Okay, this is me. Nothing there. I keep my I don't normally like keep it there, but my wallet is in there. It's supposed to be my handbag, and that's right there. We don't keep anything lingering. Let me just scooter in since I'm going out anyway. Just lay my bag there, and then here I have my shades and an extra wallet, and I have wipes in here. I keep wipes quite close to me because messes happen in the car, and so I have wipes. And then I have another little small bag which I keep an extra lipstick, hand lotion, and pain medication. This is for me. At the boot I have for the kids, and then in here I keep my stuff just in case maybe I left my handbag and I just need to touch myself up and that kind of thing, or I'm out there, so I keep that in this little, right? That's how that looks. So everything has a place, and then I hang my mask and an extra mask for the kids as well, so mine and theirs, just in case anybody forgets their mask. I always have one hanging in here. So yeah, that's how it looks. So, as I mentioned earlier on, the power of organized spaces, I believe that if you have an organized car, it's just an easy way to tackle your day. So, you're not looking for things. I know that as women, we change our shoes. We don't wear the same shoes when you're driving, that kind of thing. Others do wear shoes. I wear my same shoes, really, whether I'm wearing heels or sneakers, I just drive with them. But if you're done and that day, you're not going to wear the shoes that you're wearing tomorrow, take your shoes in with you. That's just my recommendation. I don't think that you should have like gazillion pairs of shoes and kids stuff lying around in the car. And you can have rules in place that before we all leave here, all the litter, let it go into the trash can, and don't litter outside the window. Just teach your kids those small ways of taking care of the environment, take care of the spaces that you're in. And I think that's the power of having organized spaces. It's that it teaches discipline, not only to you as an individual, but also to your children, to be responsible for the environment. That I am the steward for where I am. I'm a steward of the space that I'm at that situation. And so when they come from school, make sure that everything is all done and packed up and you take it with you. And if they eat, my kids eat here like literally all the time. They snack here, but then um we get out with all our packets and fruit pills and stuff like that. We leave with it. And sometimes my husband uses the car. He knows that, this is the state of the car. As much as when I'm using his, I would leave it as he wants as he wants to find it. So I think it's always just respectful of yourself and of others as well, to just make sure that your spaces are organized. So I hope that this is helpful. And I will be showing a couple of more videos on the power of organized spaces. And these are spaces that sometimes we just don't really think about. And I would love to hear if, you think about those things and how you have your car set up. It's good to have your car serve you. I know other people who have essential oils in their cars and that kind of thing. This serves me and the ages of our two boys. So they get hurt and they get scratches and all that stuff. So I always have to have bandages. And sometimes somebody might have a stomach ache and stuff like that. You need to just have the medication ready with you. Sometimes somebody eats and they mess up their top. You want to have an extra t-shirt. But if you have older kids, I think it's kind of understandable when you don't have to carry all that. If you have babies, you need to have a little portion, I believe, in the car where you always have extra pampers and wipes and that kind of thing. So yeah, I would love to know how you have your car organized. So leave me a comment below.
They're going to kill the trees. And I know, and I don't like that. And then they're going to replace it with robots.
Trees with robots?
I don't think so, but...
Alright, and pause.
very great. It's wobbly because of the road.
Okay, take a shot of shoot.
I must move very slowly. Looks so nice. And yet people actually kill trees. But we forgive them because they do not know.
I would love for you guys to like the video, share with your friends, and also consider subscribing. I would love for you to be part of this family. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.